AI as a wife. Complete details. Uses and impacts introduction artificial intelligence. AI has advanced remarkably in recent years and is now playing a role in every aspect of human life. AI as a wife is a concept where an AI-based software or robotic system acts as a companion, providing emotional, mental, and sometimes physical support. In this article, we will discuss the concept of AI wife, its benefits, drawbacks, ethical aspects, social impacts, and future possibilities in detail. Basic features of AI wife 1.1. What is an AI wife? An AI wife is a virtual or robotic companion based on artificial intelligence, machine learning, and natural language processing, NLP. It can understand user conversations and respond personally, behaving like a real-life partner. 1.2 key features: conversation and social interaction. AI wife can understand human conversation and provide emotional responses, personalized behavior. Over time, it adapts to the user's habits, interests, and moods. Always available. It is accessible 24/7 for communication. Virtual romance. Some advanced AI systems can provide romantic interactions by understanding the emotional aspects of human relationships. Life planning assistance. It helps with calendar management, reminders, and daily tasks. Uses of AI wife. 2.1 Solution to loneliness in today's world. Many people suffer from loneliness. AI wife can be an excellent solution for individuals seeking emotional support. 2.2 Emotional support and mental health. AI wife can act as a calming companion for those suffering from stress and anxiety. It always engages in positive conversations and encourages users. 2.3 Digital entertainment and learning. AI wife is not just a companion, but also a source of learning and entertainment. Some systems can tell stories, share jokes, and teach users. Benefits of AI wife 3.1 Emotional support. AI wife is always available and understands the user's emotional state, responding accordingly. 3.2 No conflicts or arguments. Unlike human relationships, AI wife does not lead to misunderstandings or disputes. 3.3 Saves time and energy. AI wife does not require the attention or maintenance that traditional human relationships demand. 3.4 Privacy and confidentiality. Some people hesitate to share personal matters with others. AI wife can be a safe option for such individuals. Drawbacks and challenges of AI wife. 4.1 Lack of genuine emotions. No matter how advanced AI wife becomes, it cannot fully comprehend real human emotions. 4.2 Reduction in social relationships. Excessive dependence on AI wife can distance individuals from real human interactions. 4.3 Data privacy and security concerns. AI wife stores users' personal information, which raises concerns about hacking and privacy breaches. Social and ethical aspects. 5.1 Can AI wife replace real marriages? It remains a major question whether AI wife can replace human marriages. Some view it as a positive development, while others consider it unnatural. 5.2 Legal and religious concerns. Legal and religious implications of AI wife are also significant. Can a digital partner be granted legal marriage status? 5.3 Ethical issues. Some argue that AI wife could pose a threat to human relationships and promote isolation in society. The future of AI wife. 6.1 Advancements in technology. The technology behind AI wife is continuously evolving. In the future, it may become even more advanced and realistic. 6.2 Integration of AI with humans. Some experts believe that AI-human relationships will become more complex and lifelike in the future. 6.3 Potential risks as AI wife becomes more powerful. Its risks, including mental and social challenges, may also increase. AI wife is a modern technology that provides emotional support, entertainment, and assistance in daily tasks. However, it cannot fully replace real human relationships. Its impact depends on how it is used. AI wife has both benefits and drawbacks, and the debate surrounding its social, ethical, and legal implications will continue. Is it a beneficial solution for humans or a dangerous trend? Only time will tell. Dear viewers, if you found this discussion insightful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Knowledge Hub Factory for more amazing content on AI, technology, and human relationships. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Your engagement helps us bring more informative and exciting videos for you.